Hello everyone, welcome to this particular video where we are going to find obtuse angle. This question immediately inform us that the angles A and B are obtuse. Okay, so for part A is very straightforward. For obtuse angle, as shown at the top part of this video, it will always be a negative ratio, and when you use the calculator, you will get this A angle pretty easily by using the inverse of cosine, and this will give me a value of 151.04. Final answer, since this is going to be in degree, to 1 decimal place. As for part B though, do take note that for sine ratio, when you key into your calculator for this, the calculator will always return us the acute angle. But for this particular question, they already inform us that angle A and angle B are obtuse angle, meaning they are more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. So straight away, I would tap on this knowledge, and I am going to minus away the acute angle that the calculator would give me. In this case, 59.997. So about 5 significant figures, so that the final answer will be equals to 120.003 degree, 120.0 degree to 1 decimal place. Alright, with that we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.